How to recover your Google account easy and quickly. Let's go to screen of my phone to show you step by step how you can recover your Google account. Even you don't remember your number and password and email. This is the last method to you recover your Google account. So let's go. And please don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment down here if this step by step works. And if this step by step doesn't work, comment the mark and the model the phone are you using and what happened. Subscribe to the channel and let's go. Thank you, my dears. The first thing you need to do to you recover your Google account is open any browser, okay? So looking for any browser app. In my case, I will use the Google Chrome browser. So tap right here in Google Chrome browser and pay attention. This step by step will show for you the last method to you recover your Google account. So when you opened your browser, you just need to tap right here in these three line points to you open a new incognito tab. Tap right here and tap in your incognito tab. So tap in google.com, and when you arrived on this page, just tap in search and tap Google Help Center like this. Tap go and wait for a few seconds. It will show many pages to you click, but the page we want to access is the first page, support.google.com, Help Center Google. Tap right here and it will show these options. After that, you will see this information, describe your issue, and you need to write recover, and it will show this information, how to recover your Google account or Gmail. So tap in these first options and it will show these options, okay? And now each person will want to recover your Google account for any reason. Just follow the last step by step the Google shows for you with the issue you have. For example, if you forgot your password, just tap right here in this blue icon and this page will send you to another page to recover your Google account. But if you forgot the email address you used to sign in, you just need to tap right here. But if you think someone else is using your account, just tap right here. Or if you can sign in for another reason, just tap right here. This is the last method the Google have to you recover your Google account, and I hope I help you with this simple and fast tutorial. Don't forget to access this page by the incognito tab. Thank you, my dears. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down here if this step by step works, and if this step by step doesn't work, comment what happened and please the mark and the model of your phone. I hope I help you. Until the next video, my dears, stay with God and see ya.